Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a WhatsApp status using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Google Chrome, open the browser, open your profile, then go to canva.com, and after opening the website, just logging with the Gmail account. After logging in, go to create design option, as you can see here, and here you have to write WhatsApp, and you can see the WhatsApp status. Click on here. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you hundred suggestions on various templates. Whether you want any type of status, it will help you out. So I want to make a status for my pet, so I will search my pet, and here you go, different type of suggestions from Canva. So I think this one will look cool. Just you can change the text as well. As just select the text and go to the font and change the font of the text. You can also change the color as well. As click on A option and change the color according to your need. After changing, you can also change the text size by maximizing and minimizing it. After doing all the changes, you can change your picture as well. Just click on image and go to upload option and upload your pet image. After doing all the changes, just go to share option, click on download, select the format as JPG and click on download option, and it will get downloaded. So guys, this was a tutorial to how to make WhatsApp status using Canva. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.